We're gonna wait for the police to escort that gentleman out of the bus. Until then, this bus is not moving. So yeah, don't do that ever again. Okay, I'm terminating at the next bus stop, guys. Thank you. Hello, there was a guy that boarded the bus in the middle of the traffic junction, so I will be terminating at the next bus stop to empty the whole bus, because when that guy came inside, other passengers started complaining that I'm trying to get that guy out of the bus and I'm refusing to drive. So basically, I will terminate this service at the next bus stop because of passenger entering the bus in the middle of traffic lights. Sorry, it's breaking up.
Take your belongings with you.
There was a guy that entered the bus in the middle of traffic lights, in the middle of a crossroad, so I'm terminating the whole service because one passenger came in the middle of the traffic lights and opened the door and came inside the bus. So I'm terminating the whole service, guys. Sorry about that, but this is not happening. I don't care. So here is the thing, this is a red bus. Red buses don't issue tickets. If you have any complaints, go and address them with the Mayor of London or TfL. I'm terminating because I choose to terminate because there is a dangerous person on board and I don't feel safe driving with the person that boarded the bus at the traffic lights.
Which dangerous person?
The person that boarded the bus at the red traffic lights. Listen, I'm the driver, I decide if I'm driving. I don't feel safe when there is a person that boarded the bus on traffic lights when they were red and just entered for no good reason at all.
I think that this issue should have been avoided if you had waited 5 seconds at the bus stop.
Listen,
For him to jump on.
the rules,
5 seconds.
those are the rules, those are the rules,
He got there before you moved on.
those are the rules. If the doors are closed and I have my indicator on, the doors
If
don't
you feel
open.
safe, who are you going to call? The police?
No, I'm not calling anyone.
You can't say, I don't feel safe, he's in the bus. I won't move. Call the police. That's what they are there for.
I don't,
I actually want to have a chat with the police about your attitude.
the police cannot tell me, listen, nobody can tell me to drive this bus.
Nobody can.
If I
But
refuse,
if you feel
that's it.
unsafe, if you feel that you are in danger, your life is at threat.
No, it's not, it's not life threatening.
That's what you do. If someone gets in the bus and is threatening,
Yes.
you call the police.
I said I
Is that
don't
what it
feel,
is?
no,
You
no,
have to call the police.
I
You
said,
can't just stop the bus and say, I feel threatened, so I will drive. He's in the bus. You feel threatened, you call the police. So please do call the police so that we can have a chat with the police. As a matter of fact, yeah, is this being recorded? You have a number. This is ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. Disrespectful to every single person on this bus who've been out in the cold working all day, just wants to get home. Because of your pride and your ego, you say, I feel threatened by a guy who you refuse to pick up at the bus stop in the first place. Jesus Christ!
I never said I'm threatened. I said,
It's exactly your words. You feel unsafe. You are threatened
My
by
friend.
a dangerous man who has boarded the bus at the traffic light. That is exactly your words. So call the police because you feel unsafe.
Why don't you just carry on the bus?
hi, good evening. I'm terminating this service. However, the passengers are refusing to leave the bus, so I need the police to empty that bus. Otherwise, I will not be continuing
Call
to
your
drive.
controller, please. Call your controller.
Hey, what you need the police for happening?
Well, there was a passenger that entered inside the bus on when I was at traffic lights, and there was a red light, so he approached the front door, opened the front door from outside and entered inside the bus.